All right, I updated my Canvas page to help some of you guys out because some of you are still not getting the point to click the vocabulary button and the warm-up button. So I think I made it easier for you guys. So first thing you always want to do is check your weekly agenda. So this week you have your Daily Language Review Monday. You're going to start your secret annex project. You're going to gather any questions you have for me in class. On Tuesday, we're going to go in class. We're going to read some pages. We're going to answer questions. You are going to, on Wednesday, do your daily language review, continue working on your project. Thursday, same thing as you are going to continue working on your project, and your project will be due on Friday. Okay? So to find these assignments, all you have to do is click classwork, and then it brings you to this page. Obviously, you want the weekly assignments. So this is what you would click. Let it load, and it's going to take you to the module that says Unit 4, Week 4, January 25th, to the 29th, and then you will see what is listed. Project Monday through Friday, you have your Monday daily language review. Then on Tuesday, you will see Tuesday, you'll see Diary of Anne Frank notes. Wednesday, you'll see the warm-up, but you're also going to continue the project, so you're going to have to go back up. And then Thursday, you will see Diary of a Young Girl notes in your assignments. So everything will be listed there. If you missed something for the week and you do not have it, everything for the fourth quarter will be, or third quarter will be located here. You click missing assignments, you click the date that you're missing, and it'll bring you to everything that you need to see there. Okay, so hopefully this is easier for you. That way when you click on an assignment, you can just click here. You can click your Monday assignment, let it load, click Monday. Once you submit it, you should be able to scroll down and click next, and it will just keep taking you through your assignments that you need to be able to do. Okay, hopefully that makes things easier for you. Since we're in the third quarter, I figured I can change it, and hopefully this video will help you. Bye-bye.